heavy.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome guys. I am Edi Anjum and you are watching my YouTube channel. Subscribe to Edi Anjum official channel and also press the bell icon button so that you continue to receive such informative videos on time. Guys, Japanese agronomist Mr. Otabe visited Arai Agri Farm, Dhanod district, Lodhra. On this occasion, Arai Agri Farm Managing Director Mr. Kashif Islam welcomed him and presented him with flowers. Malik Muhammad Zafar, Deputy Director of Agriculture District Lodhra, was also presented. On this occasion, Mr. Otabe said that
I visited his grape orchard and extremely well organized, okay, and very well weeding and pruning. And my surprise is also Mr. Kashif import his grape from Spain, Sultana variety. And the southern variety is one of seedless, green, finger shaped, good quality grape. And even in Japan, I know the name of Sultana, and I know his willingness of providing great, good quality grape in Pakistan. So even spending only 5 minutes with Mr. Kashif,
yes.
I understand. So he looked for something value adding, quality, not only quantity.
Yes.
So that is my impression. So he is a young, progressive farmer.
Thank you, sir.